Hello Crypto Elites, and welcome back to another episode of Crypto Elites Technical Analysis. You guys are in for a real treat today. I've released one video which covered Bitcoin, Ethereum and Shiba Inu. That got released this morning, and I'm about to give you a second video today, just because of the way the price charts are. They are in a big upward trend today. We are seeing some positive percentages in the charts today, so I'm going to give you guys a second video. In today's video, we're going to be looking at Vechain, Vethor and Holo. Some real hot coins on the market right now. So if you haven't looked at my previous videos, we've been following these coins for quite some time. The first coin that we're going to be looking at today is Vechain. Vechain, as you can see, we are in a massive upward trend pattern here, and we have been following this since the 27th of July. I've been telling my group, because I have a subscription group, if you want to know more details, please email the link that's down below. But I've been telling my group to buy in for quite some time, since the 18th of June. That's when I called the bottom. So as you can see here, 18th of June, it's a similar pattern on every chart. Since then, I've been telling my group to buy in, and dollar cost average out their accounts. And we have been in a massive upward trend. Since the 27th of July, we are up near about 4% on the daily, but right now we are battling some resistance. We have gotten through this first resistance line, we've gotten through this second resistance line, and this is going to be the third one that we will break through in order to meet our 200-week moving average. It's just a matter of time, people. As you can see, this strong upward trend there, and you know, we haven't deviated away from this. We have been in this upward trend since the 27th of July, and we can see that we have support here at this level. I believe that price is just under 3 cents, because this is a US dollar chart, but we can see that this has also been used as previous support over here. But our next move up is to hit the 200-week moving average. But today, potentially, we could see a retest of this resistance line here. It's time that we start turning these resistance lines into support, and this is the way that it looks like it's heading. On to our next coin, we have Vethor. Vethor, I haven't moved this line since, what's this, the 13th of July. Vethor has been following this massive upward trend fractal here. We are retesting major resistance lines. We have been stuck in this purple triangle for purple rectangle for quite some time, and it looks like we're about to have a break above this rectangle. I also told my group to buy in again here, 18th of June. That's where we can see the bottom here. It is similar in majority of these altcoins, but we have been following this upward trend ever since. We're going to be retesting this resistance line in this purple rectangle, most likely to head up to this resistance line here, which is quite a strong trend line. We've retested it once, twice, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. 7 times we have touched this resistance line and consolidated back down. I believe there's going to be an 8th. We are up by 4%. I believe we are going to retest that again once we break out of this resistance line there. If you have missed our previous videos on Vechain and Vethor, I go a bit more into depth, so please look back on my previous videos if you want a better insight to my technical analysis on Vechain and Vethor. Again, we have Holo. Holo is again in a massive upward trend. Holo has been in this trend since the 26th of July, similar to Vethor. We have gotten through this first resistance line. Looks like we're going to be retesting the second resistance line. Vethor is at 2.36% up on the daily. Potentially you might be able to call this a double or triple bottom here, but we are still very much way off our 0.236 Fibonacci retracement. we are still sitting on very bottom supports. So I highly recommend, if you haven't brought into Holo at this stage, I highly recommend that you do so. You can spend a couple of £100 and get, yourself 100,000 Holo coins. And if it reaches a penny, which we have seen these coins do before, as you can see, but this is about 3 cents here. For every cent or every penny that it goes up, you will actually be earning £1,000 into your account. So these are good buying opportunities to get in, buy it while it's low at very bottom supports. This is a very hot coin, and it has loads of volume going into this coin at times. Like from here to there, that's potentially, what's this price? 0.007 to 16. That's literally double in price. You have made over 100% profit just from this little bounce here. Look at these massive dips to the upside. Holo has major volume goes into these coins at some points. Sorry, but for now we have to focus on getting through our current resistance line, which it shouldn't take long. This looks like sort of a bull flag pattern. We should actually see more movement following this upward trend until we get to this point where we should just break through. This point is looking roughly around about the 16th of August. So it may take a few more days in order for us to break through this resistance line. But if it does break through before then, I will be creating a video. So please like and subscribe to stay updated. Thank you for watching.